Create your own cat eye gel nail look in minutes. All you will need is the magnetic nail gel polish. You can order it online. Simply all you have to do is paint the nails with the magnetic nail polish. Do not cure the nail as yet. Now take your magnetic sticker or any desired magnetic pattern you would like to use. After the first application is set, apply another layer of magnetic nail gel. Take your magnetic sticker or any desired magnetic pattern you would like to use, hold it over your nail, and you created your desired look with your cat eye magnetic or magnetic pattern. After you've completed, you just cure the nail, and there you have your perfect cat eye gel nail look or any pattern desired. Get your magnetic nail gel polish and receive a free magnetic pattern of your choice, absolutely free. Place your order, consider the shipping on us. So click on the link below and order yours now.